Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 2.7 magnitude felt in Philippines. Depth of this earthquake is 4 km and this earthquake felt on Friday, March 18, 2022. Local time is 10:58 am. Nearest volcano is Cabalian, which is 9 km away from epicenter. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: moderate rain, 29 degrees centigrade, 84 Fahrenheit, humidity is 69% and wind is 2 meters per second from east. Primary data source is Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Estimated release energy is 197 kilowatt hours, which is equivalent to 0.169 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.